Eh, bakit na? Inita ka na contestant number 5. Okay, this is contestant number 1. I would like to ask you one question only.
Dito kami saikong pa sa may basikulan.
Know that you are the best, alright?
Nagbibidyo kasi ako eh.
Melinda po.
Nagano kayo nagbibidyo.
So, bakit ka sumali sa contest na ito?
Gusto ko pong
ay, maya-maya pa. Nagbibidyo ako.
Magandang babae.
Pauwi na kami.
So, do you have the feeling that you will win this contest?
I have a lot of feeling that I'm gonna win this contest.
Lakas ng fighting spirit.
You got a lot of fighting spirit. So, what is your vital statistics?
36, 36, 36.
Thank you! Contestant number 2, please! Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Jacqueline.
You're Jacqueline? No. Akala ko Jacqueline Kennedy namatay na. What is your feeling about this contest, please?
Well, my feeling is super.
Super. Parang ano? Are you going to win this contest?
Well, I hope so, for the sake of other contestants.
But what is your vital statistics, please?
29, 31, 29.
Well, 6. Thank you! Ito yung pinala ko noon. What is your name, please?
Maylawit.
Maylawit. Maylawit. Kayo, alam niyo ba yung Maylawit? Ha?
Alam nila yan.
Maylawit siya. Ano yan?
Maylawit.
Maylawit. Maylawit pala. Maylawit ka. What is your opinion about the Philippines today? You know, ang Pilipinas po ay ng indol. Ano mabigay mo sa kanila?
Palagay ko nagkukulang po sila sa mga paniniwala sa Diyos.
Very nice. So, are you winning this contest? Thank you, contestant number 3. Maylawit. Contestant number 4. Please. Bakit umigote? What is your name, please?
Yung kasyot na
Ayan na pa.
Inanyo!
Nagkakras pa sa'yo yan. Ano ba yan? Inagawan pa ako.
Pero bakit? Ano ba ang nangyari talaga? Ay, akala niya gabi pa na. Alright, contestant number 3. Are you going to tell them something? Pwede mo bang sabihan sila kung ano magagawa mo sa mundo ngayon?
Ang masasabi ko lang, ang pagsali din sa contest nito ay mahirap at masaya.
Mahirapan daw siya. Ibig mo sabihin, nahihirapan ka.
Kasi masikip yung niya.
Sa babong niya. He's swimming! Hinilam lang po niya sa babong niya. Oh my goodness. Thank you, contestant number 4.
Okay,
Contestant number 5. Contestant number 5 is a very nice... Namaya na.
Just go po ka dyan, founder Aji.
Maraming nakikinig. So, are you wearing a very fine bra? Oh, okay, I'm giving you the microphone to tell everybody kung ano ang vital statistics mo, okay?
Hello, good afternoon everybody. My name is Bettina Cruz.
bitin.
Vital statistics. 24, 26, 106, 106.
Pasensya na po.
Biro lang.
Kasi po si Pitina, she hails from a clan, a family clan of South Africa. She is from a clan of beauty ladies. So, thank you! Contestant number 5. Huwag mo nang upakan yun sa kabila, okay? Contestant number 6.
Matyanin na, matyan! Ang laki na tiyan!
Buntis yan!
Teka lang. Magkaliwanagan nga tayo.
Promotion naman to.
Are you my bro or my sister?
My bro and sister.
Why are you wearing that attire right now?
I want to spread my feelings to everyone. I am a woman as of now.
You are a woman as of now. You are married? You got kids? How many times you got pregnant? How many times you got pregnant? But you are wearing t-back right now? Ay, 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 ay! Tinatanong ko lang. Masyado kang okay. You are wearing t-back ready?
Lasing ba yan? Mukhang lasing.
Nakatuwa.
Alam niyo po, masyadong kasi ito mag-condition natin. They are going to marry a very aboriginal group in Australia. So ladies and gentlemen, what is your vital statistic?
My name is Luningning Damakulkul. My vital statistic is 69, 69, 69.
That's the number I like very much.
Okay, thank you.
Oy! Oh my goodness. Contestant number 7, please. Ito, talaga pinagtaksran ng panahon ito.
Fine, thank you.
Yeah. Of course, you know, that's always the answer. I'm fine, thank you. So, where did you get your gown?
Of course, somebody close to me.
Somebody goes to, baka ninakaw mo lang yan. Doon sa sampay, doon sa hindi marami sampay doon.
So we have a friendship. And anyone who would like to help for me.
So, hindi mo ninakaw yung gown mo? Okay, gusto po siya na po magbigay ng kanyang vital statistics at magsabi itong ano siya, okay? Sister, bahala ka na. Take it off.
Okay, I am Marian Palad.
Marian Palad.
My vital statistics is 36.
Yeah. Sexy. Sexy.
Okay, thank you. Number 7.
Thank you, number 7. So, ang ganda mo talaga. Oh my
Number
goodness.
8.
Number 8, please! Ladies and gentlemen, this is contestant number 8. What is your name, please?
Chinchachoy po.
Sige po, doon sa dulo na si Tola.
Central po.
So, okay, just go direct. What is your vital statistic?
My vital statistic po is 36, 24, 36.
Oh my goodness!
Nagko-complain na sila.
Huwag kayong maingay, gusto ko manalo.
So, judges, I am trying to tell you, no favoritism, alright?
Yes.
Ilan ang babaeng nakabot ko? Ay, sorry, mali pala. May girlfriend ka na?
Asawa.
Asawa. Thank you. Contestant number?
8.
Ganda niya. no?
Ganda talaga niya.
Gusto mo siya?
Ay, naku,
Ay, ganda niya naman!
Ay, babae siya.
Nine!